Hello my friends, it's our DSP Paper Share Project number 6. Here we go! Today I'm creating with the countryside in DSP, so we're using Midnight Muse, our countryside in DSP, and Basic White. I cut the panel into these two pieces and we're going to use them both with this project. We're going to two-step stamp 2 flowers for this project, first with Night of Navy, then with the boho blue for the center color. Use your paper snips or the coordinating dies to trim out those flowers. Then I used Night of Navy with our Charming Sentiment stamp set to do my sentiment. Here are the prepared pieces for our card. Let's put it together. First, I position the DSP across the front of my card on an angle. Go ahead and fold the overlap behind the card and give it a crease. Then pull it off and you'll have this piece here. Just open it up and apply liquid adhesive to the 3 sides where the fold is and along the top and the bottom. Then go ahead and adhere it to the front of the card and then pick up the flap and just add a little more adhesive behind where it's going to adhere along the edge. Then use your paper snips and trim off the excess from the 2 edges. Now to position our sentiment. It's going to go across the top on the diagonal like shown. Go ahead and add adhesive directly to the card front once you know how large that banner piece will be. Then position it over your adhesive and use those scissors again to trim off the excess. Then I popped up my 2 flowers with dimensionals to finish off the card. Now to use the second part of our DSP sheet, we're going to decorate our envelope. Add adhesive to the flap of your envelope, then adhere the DSP over the flap and let it dry. Use your paper snips again and trim off the excess from that flap. And then here is our finished project with the card and that decorated envelope to match. I want to give credit to the Casing Tuesday Sketches Facebook page for sharing this sketch with us. As you know, I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, so please shop with me online to support my creative endeavors. When you do, you'll receive a card kit from me with a tutorial as a thank you, something fun for you to put together. You can always find me online at susanwebster.stampinup.net, or you can follow my blog at pumpkinhillstampers.thesearemystamps.com.